Okay, let's see if Leda will do it. She's gonna jump into the current and then come along here. These other kids. But I don't know how daring she is to do it.
You have a little island of hair that's still dry.
Let's see.
Did you see my hair on? Yeah.
Let's see if she'll do it.
Not that bad. Who's going again? I'm going up. I'm going on the lake country. What? So I'm going over there. No.
She's debating it. Oh my God, she did it.
Yeah. Dad's over there.
Oh my God, she's so daring.
Oh, look at it! Look at it!
She is too much.
Go, let's go! That's Dad. No, I know. I'm getting on the river. Okay, where's my license?
She is too much.
Not my picture.
Good.
Yeah.
How was it?
Yeah, this one's mine. That's yours? No, that one.
How was it?
Other one.
That was fun. Yeah,
You want to do it again?
No, stop the...
Leda, you were too much, little girl.
Okay. Oh.
Say hi to the camera.